In recent years, the concept of the metaverse has evolved from science fiction into a burgeoning reality, with applications spanning various sectors, including entertainment, business, and even intimate relations. One of the most provocative and potentially transformative applications is metaverse sex, which could revolutionize how people experience intimacy and potentially replace traditional porn apps and websites. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual spaces, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the internet. With advancements in virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR), the boundaries of digital interactions have significantly expanded. VR and AR technologies offer immersive experiences that can mimic real-life interactions, including sexual encounters. This has paved the way for metaverse sex, where users can engage in intimate activities within a virtual environment. Unlike traditional porn, which is a passive experience, metaverse sex offers an interactive and immersive experience. Users can feel as though they are part of the action, enhancing the overall experience. Users can customize their virtual experiences to suit their preferences, from the appearance of avatars to the setting of the interaction. Engaging in virtual intimacy can offer a safer alternative to real-world encounters, reducing the risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and ensuring privacy. Devices like Meta's Quest range provide the necessary hardware to enter the metaverse, offering high-quality visual and auditory experiences. Haptic technology enhances the sense of touch, making interactions feel more real. Devices that provide haptic feedback are crucial for creating a convincing, intimate experience. AI and machine learning can create more realistic avatars and scenarios by learning user preferences and behaviors, leading to more satisfying experiences. While the advent of metaverse sex offers numerous benefits, it also raises ethical and social questions. Issues such as consent, the impact on real-life relationships, and the potential for addiction are important considerations. It is crucial to establish ethical guidelines and safety measures to ensure responsible use of these technologies. As technology continues to advance, the line between virtual and real-life experiences will blur even further. Companies are investing in creating more sophisticated and realistic virtual environments, and as acceptance grows, metaverse sex could become a mainstream form of intimacy, potentially replacing traditional porn apps and websites. Users can engage in fully interactive adult experiences with virtual avatars that respond to their movements and commands, providing a highly personalized and immersive encounter. Traditional cam shows can be enhanced with VR, allowing viewers to feel like they are in the same room as the performer. This adds a level of intimacy and realism that 2D cam shows cannot match. The metaverse can be used to create educational programs focusing on sexual wellness and safe practices. These programs can provide interactive and engaging ways to learn about sex, consent, and relationships. Virtual environments can offer a private and safe space for couples to engage in therapy and counseling sessions, helping them improve their relationship dynamics and intimacy in a controlled setting. Users can explore their fantasies in a safe, virtual space without the risks associated with real-life encounters. This can include role-playing scenarios, exploring different identities, and experimenting with new forms of intimacy. The integration of VR, AR, and AI into intimate experiences marks a significant shift in how people may engage with digital content. Metaverse sex has the potential to offer a more immersive, personalized, and safer alternative to traditional porn, transforming the landscape of digital intimacy.